What's going on, guys? Welcome to the first installment of airchecker.com. Basically a quick overview of the channel, since this is the first video, is going to be just basically unbiased airsoft product reviews. Nothing crazy, maybe some gameplay here and there, but mainly just covering airsoft products, internals, externals, the whole gun itself, basically anything that you guys are curious about. If there's stuff that you want to, have me check out in the future, just drop a comment below. I'll take a look and see if I can acquire it. So this first video is going to be pretty straightforward. Nothing too crazy. It's just going to be on this LCT crank style flash hider for the AK-74 or AK platform in general. Couple pros. First pro is that it's made out of pretty much all steel. It has a really nice weight to it. It has the accurate break cuts. They're not too jagged or serrated. The cuts on them themselves are actually like machined, so it doesn't look like it's been molded. So it actually comes up pretty clean. Another good plus side to this is that, let's say you're running in a building, hit a door frame, you don't have to worry about this bending or breaking. It's pretty durable. A couple downsides, compared to the Assura Dynamics, basically same product, it doesn't have Assura Dynamics trades. It also doesn't have that like matte black finish to it. It's more of that like LCT, kind of dark gray look to it, which, I mean, it's not that big of a deal. But I mean, if you're going for like super accurate kits with this, it probably won't be the best one to use. If you're just gonna end up painting it in the future, then like this is fine. Another downside is that it's not standard 24mm, it's 14mm negative, which means that you're gonna have to, when you take the flash hider off of your AK, you're gonna have to also take the adapter off of your AK. This is what LCTs, I don't know if SEMA or ENL or those brands have that same process that LCT uses, but I know for sure LCT, I actually have an AK right here. It comes with this 24mm to 14mm adapter. You're going to take this off. It's glued on and has a tiny set screw. One final flaw that I see this having is that the cut right here for where the pin goes on the gun, it's not canted. So that means when you screw this on, you get it to where you want. If you want the pin in there, it's going to be slightly not straight. It's going to be canted a little bit. And if you want it perfectly centered like that, there's going to be no pin securing this in place. That could be a downside for, people who want it to be more secure with the pin. I can see that being a thing. But I'm not sure why they did that design like this. It's kind of odd. So overall, I would say this would be a good buy if you're looking for a really cool AK style flash hider. I picked this up on eVic. It's $20. Comes straight to your door. You don't have to order like it from overseas like some of the Assura ones, and hopefully you get it in the mail. But overall, good flash hider. Good buy.